In the business report, consumers paid an average 3.5% more for food and non-alcoholic beverages for the 12 months to April this year. However, looking at the month of April alone, the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says the prices fell by 0.6%. Compared to March 2024, food prices fell marginally by 0.7%. Statin says the main contributor to the decline was a 3.7% fall in the cost of vegetables, tubers, plantains, cooking bananas, and pulses. On the other hand, non-alcoholic beverages increased by an average 0.4%. Two notable companies have declared the intention to pay dividends to investors. Limners and Bards Limited has advised that a board meeting is to be held on September 12, 2024, and an interim dividend payment will be considered. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited has advised that at a meeting of its board to be held on September 11, 2024, an interim dividend payment will be considered. Up next, market news from Jamaica Stock Exchange with Denise Williams.
During trading for the period of September 3, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Gas station and automotive fuels distributor Regency Petroleum Company Limited with 18,170,970 units represented 38.53% of the market value in terms of sales. International supermarket chain and wholesale food distributor Deramon Trading Company Limited with 7,358,165 units represented 15.60% of the market value in terms of sales. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited US dollar shares with 6,129,667 units represented 13% of the market value in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On September 3, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $64.70 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $72.30 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $158.27 and bought the US dollar for $157.01. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.26, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 46 cents from transactions at the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $116.01 and bought for $116.47. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $3.04, selling it for $205.36 and buying it for $202.32. In our credit report tip of the day, we continue to look at recovering from the back-to-school spending dent in your wallet or purse. Remember, we want you to rebuild your credit score and prepare for your next financial milestone, whether it's buying a car, renovating your home, or qualifying for a mortgage. Now, what we suggest is that you monitor your credit report. Keep an eye on your credit report to ensure that all your payments are being accurately reported and that there are no errors dragging down your score. You're entitled to a free credit report once a year from each of the major credit bureaus.